In today's video, I'm going to show you the process on how to block contacts on IMO. It is quite easy to block someone on IMO, so this is going to be a short tutorial video. So let's quickly get started. Open up your IMO app and then find the contact that you want to block. Tap open the contact and tap on the three dots on the top right. Now again, you'll need to tap on this arrow and again tap on the three dots on the top right. Now here you'll see an option for block. You can tap and toggle this block option on. If you block this person, the blocked contact will not be able to message or call you. Tap on block and the account will be blocked from IMO. So that's how easily you can block contacts on IMO. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and also hit subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back with some more videos similar to this.